my name is Tiffany Blackman. I attended Oulton College and graduated in 2022. I attended the Early Childhood Education and Educational Assistant program, and I'm currently working within the school district as an educational assistant. Prior to attending Oulton College, I had been working at a company for 20 years. I was working in finance, and I enjoyed my colleagues and what I was doing. However, I just didn't find it as fulfilling as I once did. And it made me reflect back to when I was younger, in high school myself, and I'd always wanted to work in the education field and never thought that I'd have that opportunity. I chose to attend Oulton College based on reputation from word of mouth. When I had reached out, being a mature student, I was nervous how I would fit in. And from the first phone call I made to reach out, I always felt very welcomed. I remember my first day sitting in classes, and I'll admit I was very nervous. I was worried if I was going to fit in, but quickly that worry passed. Once you got to meet your instructors who had worked in the field and had lots of experience. They were very friendly and outgoing, and then you got to meet your peers and learn more about them and their backgrounds and what they're bringing to the program as well. I really felt a great sense of belonging when I was in the classroom. My favorite parts of the program were the instructors that brought in their real life experiences. Another factor that really drew me into making the choice to attend was their career services program that supports you even as an alumni. So even after you graduate and you're working in the field, if you have questions or you need to make a career change, you can reach out and they'll support you in any way that you need to be supported in. Currently I'm employed with the Anglophone East School District as an educational assistant, and I'm enjoying every moment of that. My best advice would be to reach out to your instructors. They're very knowledgeable, they care about your success. No question is too silly. I personally felt very supported, and even still as an alumni, I reach out to my previous instructors sometimes if I need maybe a little advice on something, and my peers as well. So I know a lot of us still stay in touch, and it's really great to have that support system behind you even after graduation.